my balance and composure. I'm poster, propose a toast to players on every coaster. The lyrical roller coaster, mind bitter. Instead of watching these sucker MCs, I'm seeing just how they lie to the general population. Don't be patient, up and stand up for your life. Don't you agree or understand we lost some rights? It's one night. Come dumb, come young, come blind, unwind, confined to the situation we facing. Cause it's time, tick, tick, boom. Wake up out this dream. Come here and smell the folds of the souls of the human beings. Man acting as if he was the supreme being. How can a soul submit out like he would G-O-D and W-A-R-A? There'll be no tomorrow, but sorrow and horror will follow. The hollow hearts battle for dollars. Politicians, modern day magicians, positions of death, more health care for poor health. Who making us ill? They making us kill. It's making me spill my guts. Chill big, laying a cut. For what? I refuse to sit in the backseat and get handled like I do nothing all day but sit around watch the cartoon channel. I rap about the presidential election and the scandal that followed, and we all watch the nation as it swallowed and chalked it up. Basically, America, you got fucked. The media shut their job, now we stuck. Damn. You're gonna die here. Die here. You're gonna die here. Die here. Die here. Operation Anaconda, ask yourself, was it full of leaps and blunders? Did they ever find you something? And why in the fuck did Daniel Pearl have to pay the price for his life and his wife playing twice? See, Alameen got life and Fred got dead.